Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name inside the Temu app. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. Alright guys, open up your Temu app on your mobile device. And then what you want to do is to log in once you're inside here. So I'm going to skip all these little pop-ups that appear. So now to log in, you want to click onto you. And then log in if you haven't. Once you have, you'll be brought to this section here, and from here just simply tap on your name. So I'm going to tap on my name there, and there it is there. So that's my profile name on Temu. So if I want to change this, there's a little pencil icon right next to the name. So if you go and tap onto that, you can change the name here. So I'm going to click into the name again, get rid of that, and I'm going to change it to Luke. And I'm going to click on save, and now that has saved my Temu name to Luke. You can also change your profile photo here, your bio, your gender, your email and phone number as well on this section. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.